Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Greeting of peace to all of us. Let me introduce myself, Sivanrela. Here I am with my team would like to share our research about the influence of mathematical disposition on the mathematical problem solving ability of fifth grade elementary school student.
Well, the first of all about introduction. Education in one of the essential aspects of life to improve and develop human potential and become a quality human resource. The creation of quality human resources is one of the goals of national education, efforts for which are continuously made at every level of education. Mathematics is a field of study that is useful and helpful in solving various problems in everyday life that are related to calculation or related matters of numbers, as well as various kind of problems that require skills to solve problems. Disposition and ability are two different things. A student may show a high mathematical disposition but not have sufficient knowledge or ability regarding the substance of the material. A student's mathematical disposition is said to be a good if the student likes problems that are challenging and involve himself directly in finding or solving problems.
Student success in solving problems can also be supported by various psychological aspects related to student attitude in the learning process. In addition to problem-solving skill, aspects such as mathematical disposition related to how students perceive and solve problems, namely self-confidence, pers- sorry, perseverance, sorry, perseverance, endurance, and flexibility in thinking to explore various alternative problem-solving strategies. Mathematical disposition is one of the factors that determine student learning success. Yuliawati in Yulia and Hendrik 2024. Research conducted by Asymptote and Irmina 2019. Previous researchers on the influence of mathematical disposition on mathematical problem-solving ability. The result of the regression, the calculation showed a significant influence between mathematical disposition and mathematical problem-solving ability. From, from previous researchers wanted to know how mathematical disposition influence mathematical problem-solving abilities. Moreover, other factors that previous researchers have not studied. Based on the description, the author is interested in researching the influence of mathematical disposition on the mathematical problem-solving ability of grade 5 elementary school students.
Literature review. 1. Mathematical disposition. Mathematical disposition encompasses student attitude, interest, and belief about mathematics, which significantly affect their learning and problem-solving abilities. A low disposition often leads to passive behavior and a lack of self-confidence, stemming from inadequate understanding of the material presented. A positive mathematical disposition fosters a sportive learning environment, enhance conceptual understanding, and motivates active engagement. The key indicators include 1. Self-confidence. Belief is one's problem-solving abilities. 2. Flexibility, willingness to enforce different solutions. 3. Curiosity, active interest in mathematical tests. 4. Perseverance, determination to persist in the face of challenges.
The next of literature review, number 2 is problem solving. Problem solving is a challenging task that requires critical and creative thinking, which requires a combination of knowledge and skills. The effectiveness of problem solving can be caused by teacher-led learning and a lack of student involvement in the learning process. According to Polya Justiana et al. 2021, there are 4 steps that can be taken to solve problem, namely, first, understanding the problem at this stage is where the individual must understand what it means by the problem. Second, making plans. This stage requires a strong understanding of the material concept because it will influence decision. Third, implementing the problem-solving plan. This stage is a continuation of the previous stage. And the last, number 4, rechecking at this stage. Problem-solving experience plays an important role considering that previously prepared plans will be continued based on the solution provided. Okay, next is discussion. Human daily life is inseparable from problem. In solving problem, a specific ability is needed, namely problem-solving ability. But problem-solving ability is not yet optimal, as can be seen from the result of EIMSS and PISA. The result of EIMSS trend in international mathematics and science study show that the problem-solving abilities of Indonesian students are still not optimal. In contrast, the result of the PISA program for international student assessment show that the number of students who are able to implement procedure and strategies in problem solving is less than the number of students who are able to work on them. Amanda 2016. In addition, research was conducted in class 7 of junior high school by Mayarati 2019 with the aim of determining the influence of student mathematical disposition on student mathematical problem solving abilities in class 7 of junior high school. If problem solving ability is well constructed, mathematical disposition will also be well constructed. When students understand the problem, their self-confidence is well trained. When students start working on questions, students express their respective opinions so that students' self-confidence and preference in solving problems can be constructed.
Chart, the influence of mathematical disposition of the mathematical problem-solving ability of the 5th grade elementary school student. First, to find out how mathematical disposition influence the mathematical problem-solving abilities of 5th grade elementary school students. Second, knowing the factors that influence mathematical disposition toward the mathematical problem-solving ability of 5th grade elementary school. Let's look at the chart together. Mathematical disposition, self-confidence, flexibility, curiosity, enterprising or persistence, be strong. Solution to problem. The first solution, understand the problem and plan to solve the problem. The second solution, create a problem-solving process. And the last solution, explain or interpret the result according to the initial problem and check the accuracy of the result or answer.
Conclusion. From the research conducted, it can be concluded that student mathematical disposition has a significant influence on their mathematical problem-solving abilities. An excellent mathematical disposition, characterized by a positive attitude, self-confidence, and perseverance, and can unite students to be more active in facing challenges in learning mathematics. The result of interview with teachers saw the student interest in mathematics playing essential role in their learning process. Students who have high interest tend to be more enthusiastic and quick in solving problems, while less interested students have difficulty. Research also confirms that factors such as the ease of the material and the way the teacher delivers the learning greatly influence student disposition and problem-solving abilities. Therefore, there needs to be a more interactive learning approach that facilitates students in developing their mathematical disposition so that they can improve their overall problem-solving abilities. Thus, to improve the quality of mathematics education, education needs to pay attention to and develop student mathematical disposition as one of the keys to success in the learning process.
All praise be to Allah. Everything has been completed. Thank you for your time and attention. Indeed, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and see you.